Hello to the fine people of YouTube. Today, well, I ain't posting in a little bit. Sorry about that. But I got a video for y'all today. Got an Impala cold start for y'all. So, this car ain't been cranked in about a week, give or take, and it's been down in the low 20s past few nights, and it's currently about 49 right now. So we're gonna see how long it takes to crank the old Impala. So let's see. That took a lot less time than I thought it would, but it started. Yeah. So hopefully more videos are on the way. So I appreciate it, guys. We'll try to get posting more soon. So thank you for the support, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye now.